Hey guys, Anissa here, and today on my channel I'm going to be sharing my latest glam hack, which is just a glam high pony. You don't have to do the struggle bun, you don't have to worry about that. You just want to wake up and feel fabulous. This is how you can do it without busting the bank and wasting too much time. All right, so to kick this off, you're gonna need one thing besides having your hair slicked up into a bun. It is a synthetic ponytail to attach to your bun. Today, I'm using a free tress equal in the Yaky Straight, 24 inches of fabulousness in the shade 2. Now, this is it. I think they added some curls in this stock card picture, but this is it straight. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The other good news is that this does come in a few different lengths. So if this is too much for you and you're like, oh no, can't do that, don't worry. You can find it in, I think it was like 20, I think I've even seen like a 14, but there is a length out there for you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with the application. So this has 2 combs, as I said, and a drawstring, but it's also a pretty nice size so it can fit over your bun. Here goes it. All right. Ooh. So I'm first sliding the first comb into place, and then the back comb. I just want to get those secured. Next, I'll pull the drawstring, so that will help the combs hold even more in place. And then slide the slider there. And I'm just gonna wrap around that extra bit of drawstring to conceal it. Now this totally would be cute with some like little waves added to it. And it is good that it is heat safe up to 400 degrees so you can get some versatility. I love a good high pony moment, which is why I'm so into this. And like when I did it first on New Year's, I was like, yes. Like I kind of did a high pony for Christmas, but it didn't come out the exact way that I was envisioning. And then when I found this pony in my local beauty supply store, I was like, so I have like a little piece sticking out like from my own hair, but don't worry. I'm just gonna finger comb this into place really quick. I kind of like it to sit to the side. It just has a little extra layer of sass, but you can of course have it just in the center. Like this looks good already, but I do want a bang. I just feel like it pulls it together. I like that look on me also too, because I'm a part of the big head club. It balances out the whole look. So we're gonna add that. I'm using this bang that I have here, and this is a part of the bang and bun duo 2-piece that I also have from Free Tress Equal. So you'll see the clips are here, and then I'll clip it into place. I'm doing this to meet right at the edge of the pony to just blend it the best I can. It can be a little stiff. Ah, there we go. And then this will be right on my hairline. All right guys, so this is the final look. I just judged this into place how I want. If you want to add a little extra bobby pin to keep it more secure, you can. But I gotta go because I cannot be late. I have an important event to go to and support my friend. And I will catch you all in the next video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, join the tribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.